love Canada. I love Canada.
Good day just for you, crew, and welcome to the vlog. It's Sunday, January 10th, and we are headed up to Barrie, and I'm kind of flip-flopping as to what video I want to shoot. I want to shoot either the HP burger bacon cheeseburger at Burger King, which I think it should be, that's the one I should do. And then there's Nando's. It turns out there's a Nando's in Barrie. I'm not sure how long it's been there for, but I don't have to go all the way down to Toronto to shoot a video, which is always good. Saves time, you know? When I can do it right here, that's the best. Anyway, so we're heading up there. I just shot 4 gaming videos in a row, and I think we're up to episode 39. And at episode 50, I'm going to turn the game file into a zip file and put it up on my Dropbox, and people will be able to download it and play it, and I get to see, run around all the stuff that I've done and that people have only seen on the videos, which I think is always a good thing. Giving out the map, as they say. I got all my stuff all ready to go. Haven't shot this format in a while, so bear with me. And also I'm going to try and see if I can pick up that room divider so I can make my wall so we can do a live show. Can't wait. As you can see, or maybe you can't see, I'm heading home. But as you can see, the rain has turned into a snowstorm, a blizzard. And but I finished the HP Ultimate Cheeseburger video. I'm also going to release it as a raw video. So I'll release the full edited version, then I'll release the raw one. See, because people have been asking me to do that for a while because Dame Drops does it, so they said, oh, you should do that too. Okay. I'll have to watch one of his to see like how much of it is raw. Like, does he like edit some of it out so it's short? Because usually it takes me about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to shoot a video, and the camera's rolling non-stop. Like, do you guys want to see all that? I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to go up to the store here. I think it's called HomeSense, because they have the room divider, and it should fit in here. Had to put the seat down maybe. Let's do it. Yay! I finally got my room divider. This should turn. So it's a London Scene 3-panel divider. Got it at JYSK. 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 I made a mistake and phoned Carol, and she's now put me on a shopping quest for that vegetable protein stuff. So I gotta go there now. All right, she told me to go to Bulk Barn as TVP, Textured Vegetable Protein. And we're gonna risk, I'll take you with me in the snowstorm. Holy shnikey. Woo! Let's go, you first.
Thank you so much.
I don't have hair to worry about, so we're good. Sorry about the lighting in here. It's just very, very orange. But as you can tell, it's a barn full of bulk. And so they got everything you want in bulk. You buy as much as you want. This is what we're after. Textured vegetable protein, $2.40 per pound. Yummy. Looks good, doesn't it? Here we go. Oh! Yucky. Yummy.
I love Canada. I love Canada. I love Canada. Oh.
Time to go home. Getting close to home. Now it's being a real blizzard down this way too, as you can see. Yikes. Perfect driving conditions. It's pretty though. Alright guys, to finish off yesterday's vlog, had dinner. Carol made this really good soup. A lot of times she doesn't follow a recipe, she just wings it, and it was amazing, so we'll never eat that again. Because she doesn't write it down as she's making it, so we're poop out of luck on that one. And then I think after that, Megan and I pushed through season 4, so all season 4 is all done. Jonathan Lithgow is no more. No spoiler alert there. And so we're on to season 5. Dexter. And now it's time for happy birthday shoutouts for Monday, January 11th. And they are Abel, Steven, Mads, Josh, and EJ. Happy birthday to every single one of you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below as to what you had for your special birthday dinner, whether you ate in or you ate out. Happy birthday.